This is the 644 Titanium Premium motorhome from Chausson. This is a 699 centimeter van, if on a Ford, and 3 centimeters shorter on the Fiat. This has a bed up here over the rather large salon, dining area, whatever, and this is one of these chairs which will turn round if you want to have it facing forward when you're traveling, and you have it facing sideways when you're not traveling, or vice versa. This comes here, two gas hobs, sink, and when you're cooking, essentially provide additional ventilation, so it's opening windows near the grill cooker. And do not use cooking appliances for space heating. And right, up here we've got a double bed, and somewhere there will be a ladder to get into it. Down here we have the escape hatch into the garage, so you can inspect your bike whilst you're traveling if you want. We've got these big filing cabinets which you could also use to keep some clothing in, and here we have a nice wardrobe. The ladder, as you can see, is under the bed, which might be a convenient place to keep it, and it's nicely hidden. Good mark for that one. In here we've got the washroom, which is, I'd have to say, nicely appointed, and coming out, I'll have a look out to the garage, because that will affect what the bed is like. So there you can see the underside of the bed. You've got your escape hatch there, and you've got plenty of space in the garage, I would say, for a couple of bikes. And fortunately that bike's there, and that acts as a demonstration. It says they're family approved, but they're for bears, and bears spend half their time asleep. We'll have a look at this as well. What we would do if it were open. It is open, so you've got the garage from both sides. You've got the water intake there, you've got your exhaust for the gas, and you can also have it on diesel heating as well. So there you have it, the 644 Titanium Premium motorhome 2022 version from Chausson, under 3 minutes.